fast.
Yeah.
It goes through quite a few gears, doesn't it? Yeah, to get to it.
Yeah. 20 kind of cool. The only thing is it's silly rules and stuff. Ooh, all right then, man.
Speed on the floor.
I reckon